Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm so excited. We're doing something a little bit different today. If you have not seen already, where have you been? We actually have preset packs. So we have 2 different sets on there and you can purchase them on the website, easily download them onto your phone so you can make all your pictures picture perfect, match your Instagram aesthetic, and take your Instagram from here to here. It's gonna look so good. And I'm gonna show you guys today how I personally use them and basically how I create an Instagram image from start to finish. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram, nanamacs.carly, and you can see the image I take today as well as all the other photos that I put that preset on. So let's get rolling. Okay, so first things first is picking out an outfit. This kind of depends on where you're taking your photo. Our background today is a little bit plain, so I definitely want to go for something very bright like this top or just any bright fun color, but make sure your outfit kind of matches where you're planning on taking your image. So keep with the same theme, and if you're going to a really busy background, maybe wear something a little bit more neutral and simple, or vice versa. If you're going somewhere very plain and boring, you can pick something that's a lot more fun and out there, but pick something that makes you feel really, really confident and that just makes you happy and matches what you want to portray on your Instagram account. And yeah, get dressed. One of my tips is to bring props, whatever that is for you, whether it's sunglasses, beverages, food, bags, accessories, anything and everything. For me personally, I love to have a good bag in my photo. And my other tip, a coffee, whether that is an iced coffee you just picked up or an empty coffee cup because we're fake, it's totally fine, or whatever you prefer to use. You can definitely do a more fun, colorful drink if you want to add something a little extra to your photo, but really any kind of prop or something that you can hold and play with, especially if you're not super duper comfortable in front of the camera, it'll add a lot more to your image and give you something to do with your hands if you're like, where do they go? So I take all my photos on just an everyday iPhone. Anything that's above an 8, you should be pretty good because Instagram kind of dilutes the quality anyways, so they're gonna look really, really nice on that platform, and it's easy to use. You can literally just toss your phone to a friend, probably owe them something. Maybe you should buy them lunch or something after. I probably owe Amy lunch after this. It was cold outside, so she gets lunch and a drink. But let your friend have your phone and snap away. Make sure you are using a lot of movements. You get a lot of different angles, and sometimes action shots are the best. Those shots where you're like laughing because you feel awkward sometimes turn out to be the cutest photos. So make sure you just get as many photos as you can. I pretty much just hand my phone to my friend and be like, just keep taking photos, keep going, keep going, keep going. And I end up with a very full camera roll. So now it's time to pick my image. So I have lots of photos in there to choose from. So I'm kind of just going to click through, see what I like, see what I don't like. These were actually all taken with live, so I can change which part of the photo is the live part just by doing this. I'm sure you guys know how to do this. It's pretty common iPhone things. Anyways, once I pick my photo, I'm just going to put it in my favorites by hearting it, and that way it's gonna be easier to put into Lightroom. Okay, so now that the photo is in my Lightroom app, I'm gonna go on over to presets and click white mocha. This is my favorite filter to use on anything. And then I'm gonna go ahead and crop it to my Instagram crop, which is 4:5, and then zoom it in a little bit. I actually love the color of this shirt, so I am gonna bring the yellow back just by clicking color and then going and finding my yellow and bringing the light back to it. Oh my gosh, I love it. How cute is that? Amy did such a good job. I'm actually gonna darken it a smidgen bit too, just because I want it to be very warm. It's actually super duper cloudy and cold today, so we're gonna just fake our own sunlight and make it look like it's a nice sunny, sunshiny day. I'm also gonna bring the color of my jeans back a little bit by clicking color and then blue and pulling that saturation back up again. But I'm gonna cool it down a little bit also. Okay. And there we have it. I love this. It looks super duper cute. So now it's time to go throw it over on the Instagram. Okay, so now that we're on Instagram, we're going to go ahead and pick that photo and we're gonna give it a caption. I'm gonna say, just a ray of sunshine, because we have none for real outside and I look like sunshine. I'm so obsessed with this top, you guys. It's coming soon, I pinky promise. And then we're gonna throw a little sunshine emoji up and call it good. Oh, I should probably make sure to tag Nanamacs too, because that's where my outfit is from. Make sure you guys are tagging us if you are taking pictures in our outfits, please and thank you. We love to see them and we love to repost them. So yeah, make sure you're doing that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have so many other fun presets to use, so if you guys want to see any of those in another video, let us know down in the comments below and we will make that happen. All the presets do such a good job taking your photo from here to here. It makes all the light look more even and it makes it just look more cohesive, and it just relaxes me for an Instagram to have an aesthetic. So I personally love these presets. White mocha is probably my favorite, but I also love poppy, and there's, like I said, all sorts of good ones in there. So like I said, if you want to see another video with me using a different preset, let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.